Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee at Slick City Action Park. This trip was supposed to be just for my daughter while we watched from the sidelines, but at the last minute she suckered me into joining her. And honestly, I'll probably feel it in the morning, but I had an absolute blast. When you first walk in, you'll see a check-in area where you can take care of all your waivers. They've got a QR code posted and you can scan it with your phone and fill everything out right there. If you'd rather handle it ahead of time, you can pay online or just walk up to the desk and they'll get you squared away up there. The line moves pretty quick and the staff was very friendly. But once you're checked in, you head toward the slides and just get ready for some fun. Before we get into the action, let me show you the upstairs area. If you're not sliding or if you just need a breather, they've got a very nice viewing platform up top. You can grab a quick snack, sit down for a minute and watch everything happening below. From up there you can see all the slides, the sweet shop, the arcade that's tucked off to the side. It's a great spot for pictures and for folks who just want to enjoy the place without actually going down the slides. Alright, that's a little information to get you started. Now let's get to the fun part. Here are the slides, the laughs, and our experience going down every single one of them. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Be sure to watch all the way to the end, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share, comment, and subscribe. We've got more family adventures coming soon. See you later.